Steph's a right laugh. Just pity you couldn't come.
Yeah, well, can't all be like you. Some of us have got responsibilities.
You sound like my mum.
I am a mum.
Never mind, 17 years, you'll be free.
You make it sound like a prison sentence.
Well, it is. You're still young, you've not had a chance to do anything yet.
Oh, what, like take drugs and drop out of uni?
You know what? Forget I spoke.
Fine by me. I'm sorry.
Hiya.
Oh, hello. Oh, you still sleeping it off?
You're the weakling, not me. You should have come with us. The club was brilliant.
Isn't Ursine anymore, is it, Kate?
So, anyways, I've got some tickets to see a gig on Friday. It's a local band, but I've heard them before and they are welcome.
Well, I'm up for it. How about you and Ches, or have you got other responsibilities?
Actually, it's only 2 tickets, so...
All right. You wouldn't be asking me out by any chance, would you?
Might be.
Well, in that case, I'm even more interested.
I better get off.